Yeah, this is maybe this one. Yeah.
Prime seating. Get the instructor.
Awesome. Those are very, very special weeks for us. The first part is we're just really excited. We can't wait to get going. The adrenaline's flowing. We're ready. We've prepared ourselves to be ready. That amount of work to get ready is unbelievable. We work here year round. And there's so many things that take place during the winter that cause us to work so much harder during the summer that you would never believe. If you had been here last week, or the week before, you wouldn't have been able to walk from one room to the other. You wouldn't have been able to sit anywhere in here. We took everything off the walls, painted every wall, put everything back on, made new cabinets, new cases, cut stock for material for classes, prepared the machines for what we needed to do. It was unbelievable. And I absolutely could not have done that without the best staff in the world. These people work harder than anybody you've ever met. They are passionate about this school. They're passionate about working and helping you with a servant's heart. They are unbelievable. And they're all spread out throughout the room. But just real quick, we've got Patrick. Where's Patrick at? Patrick is back here. We've got Harold, who's back over here somewhere. We have Doug, who I see back over there. We have Amber. Where's Amber? Amber's all the way in the very, very back. We have Brian. Brian's here somewhere. Brian Will is here. Eric is over here. We have Chef Joe right here. Woo! I told you I could talk these guys up all day long, and it doesn't matter. Not one of these people over here last year remember what class they came to. All they remember is what they had on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, I mean, So let's give all of these guys a real big round.